Can you hear my neighbor playing the guitar? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know you're probably confused. Julia, what is going on? This is not how you start a video. What is happening? Well, if you haven't heard, a couple of my files got corrupted and I was able to basically, it actually happened to 3 of my Halloween videos, but I was able to salvage, it actually happened to a lot of my stuff. Thinking about it, it happened to like 6 of my Instagram videos, but like raw footage wise it happened to 3 of my Halloween videos, and 2 I was able to salvage and like work around it, and this one unfortunately no. Here is my intro for my plastic doll video. I hope you guys enjoy it. The entire tutorial is basically there. I just lost the footage for the beginning, the intro, the outro, and also the, you know, me looking pretty wearing the look, but it's okay. The full tutorial is there, just missing like the me putting on my lip and lashes, which are kind of just general things because this look isn't too intricate. It's mainly just the like where to place, I guess, the white marks to make it look like you look like plastic. So with all that being said, I hope you guys don't mind, but I still wanted to share this tutorial with you. If you want to see a photo of the look, you can check it out right here. It's actually on Instagram. But thank you guys, love you, and I will see you in the next full Halloween tutorial. Alright guys, we're starting off with the brows. Generally, this is kind of like a regular makeup tutorial, but we're just adding a couple of things like all of the white marks to make it look like plastic, and then also we are extending the eyes a little bit, and I think I did make my lips just a little bit bigger, so I overlined them a little bit. But I am filling in my brows with a NYX brow pencil, and then I am starting off my eyes with a base using the Tarte Shape Tape, and then we're jumping into the Soft Glam palette, and I'm just creating like a nude cut crease, and I use like a white shimmery shade on top of that concealer that we used to cut the crease. Once I do that, I am going to jump around just a little bit. I decided to do lashes like after we did like that extension of the eyes to make the eyes look bigger. So I'm popping on some liquid liner and then some mascara, and I will be putting on the lashes later. Unfortunately, you won't be able to see them because that was part of the footage that got corrupted, but it's okay. I'm applying some primer and then foundation. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way, just mixing 2 shades together to get my perfect shade. Then the Tarte Shape Tape concealer as my concealer, and we're just gonna blend that all out. And then I'm going to set everything with my Milk makeup powder. Also, guys, forgive me for the voiceover because of the corruption and the problems with my the problems with just everything in this video. I am not doing my voiceover in my closet, but I promise you this will probably be the worst video that you see throughout October, and hopefully this isn't that bad. So once we did all of the basics and added some eyeliner, I'm gonna go ahead and extend my eyes a little bit. You can do this even more if you wanted it to really pop or do like a Bratz doll kind of thing, but I just did a little bit. So essentially I'm just copying the waterline, the bottom waterline of my eyes, and I'm just kind of like recreating it and extending it down. So I'm using the shadows from the Anastasia palette. I'm connecting my black liner to the liner that's already on the top lashes, and then I did add a little bit of mascara, but only to the bottom parts of my bottom lashes that weren't were showing. And then I applied some liquid liner to create some kind of like little lashes at the outer corners. And then I'm jumping into my Makeup Forever Flash Color palette, and I'm just using the white to create all of the little plastic pieces. Also, please make sure to check the description down below for everything that I used, including the lip color. I'm pretty sure I used 2 Retro Matte liquid lipsticks from MAC. Also, before I started doing like the plastic part, I did look back at Kimberly's photos just to make sure that I got kind of like the plastic areas right. I'm then going to spray my hair with the OGX Honey Hold and let my hair down out of the pins. And then I added a little bit of the Makeup Forever paint into my hair to help that create the entire look. And this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for your patience and love and support during my 31 days of Halloween. If you're not already following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. It should be up here with my Pinterest at Beauty by Julia. I post tons throughout the day now on Instagram, and I do post a lot of inspiration on Pinterest for fall and for like regular fall makeup, Halloween makeup. So make sure to check those out at Beauty by Julia, and check out all of my other Halloween tutorials here on YouTube right here, and don't forget to subscribe to me. I will see you guys in the next Halloween tutorial.